A new Iowa law went into effect Wednesday that means many repeat offenders will see longer prison sentences. Local 5's Max Swenson explains how the change isn't just about time behind bars, but about billions of dollars in costs to taxpayers.
Before July 1st, a habitual offender could be placed on probation instead of going to prison. The three strikes law gets rid of that. According to Iowa law, a habitual offender is anyone convicted of 3 or more felonies. The new law also increases the minimum sentence from 3 years to 7 years for habitual offenders. Mahaska County Attorney Andrew Ritland thinks those changes ensure offenders are held accountable.
And like clockwork, every year and a half, I'll see them again just to send them back to prison.
The Iowa Department of Corrections estimates the state will need to accommodate 50% more inmates by 2030. That will require the state to build 3 new prisons and expand 3 others at a cost of $2 billion. But public defender Mike Jones told Local 5 that's only part of the law's cost.
What is it going to cost now for all the people they're going to keep in jail? What is it going to cost for all the trials it's going to cost now? All the trials that are going to happen now? What is it going to cost for, all the cost of prosecution, defense attorney's fees, my salary?
Jones also thinks the increased penalties will drive up how many cases go to trial.
I think that's going to basically explode the judicial budget and the county sheriff's budget, jails everywhere.
Ritland says that's true, but also that victims face costs associated with things like property damage or being unable to work. While everyone agrees the new law will cost money, it's an open question on whether it will discourage people from committing crimes.
I don't know where it says that being tough on crime works. I think the data will tell you that that's the opposite is true.
For some people, we cannot incentivize them enough to change the behavior. And for those people, there's nothing more we can do other than protect the community from further offenses by them.
Max Swenson, Local 5 News.